Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are out here at my brother-in-law Sam's house, and we are with his 1995 YJ, and got a little gift for him from Mike Tuning. They sent me some super nice LED headlights, and we're going to go ahead and get these installed in his Jeep because we like to blind people. No, just kidding. These are actually specially designed to not blind oncoming cars. So he'll be able to see very well. Should be nice and bright without getting flashed all the time because people are flashing their lights. These are super cool. I will leave a link in the description. He's already got these wired up. So what these are, these have got integrated turn signals. They've got halos in them, and then obviously high and low beam. So we're gonna go ahead and get these switched out real quick, and I'll show you what they're gonna look like once we get them all hooked up. All right, well, we've got the left side hooked up. Obviously the right side is still stock. So go ahead and just hit your ignition, Sam. That is super cool. That's going to be the daytime running lights, obviously on both sides. And that's really nice, man. That actually puts out some light. I like that. Hit your turn signal. That I really, really like that. It's got the integrated turn signals. So when he shuts his turn signal off, then your driving light comes back on. And go ahead and hit your headlights. Yeah, that is so much brighter. You can see the light difference. And this has got like a Z pattern to it, so it will not blind oncoming drivers. Because that's the big thing with some of the cheap ones. You get them and they'll blind the hell out of everybody. But that one's pointing straight ahead, so that's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and get this finished up, take it outside. It's dark out, so we'll be able to show you the light pattern. And yeah, this is very nice, man. There they are. That does actually have a nice pattern to it, dude. So there you see, it's got that nice Z pattern to it. So all your headlight is facing towards the front. So it dissipates quite a bit once you get off to the sides. I really like that, man. That's nice. Hit your turn signals again. I like this part. Yeah, that's nice. So yeah, man, that's yeah. Go ahead and kick your headlights off, but leave everything else on. Yep. And that's just with the daytime running lights on. I like that. Yeah, and that'll light you up a little bit too. So that's the biggest complaint with LED headlights that people have, is everybody's blinded, but these should not be blinding you. So I appreciate that when I'm driving next to you or coming at you in the morning. So there you go, man. Happy whatever. Yeah. I don't have a Jeep anymore. He's bogarting Jeeps over here. He's got the YJ, and he's got the nice little TJ over here.
Looking for a CJ.
And he's looking for a CJ. He's looking for whatever, something J. But there you go. Link will be in the description. Let me know what you think. I'm telling you, quality-wise, I know this camera is not doing these justice at all. But that is really nice. That is way better than any of the other halos that I've seen.
Yeah.
So
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's almost almost like the Bronco style,
Yeah.
but with a little bit of a twist. So, all right, man. Have a good one, you guys. Link down below in the description. We'll see you. Hey, man, you need windshield wipers.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's nice.
That is nice. Shit. I'll make this a everyday driver. Oh, yeah. A lot better. Oh, nice.
Yeah. I like that. Man, we're getting old. We got to be able to see. I got to put LEDs on everything.
Yeah, you're right though. It cuts off right with a good angle.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, those cheap ones will just splatter everywhere.
Let's see if that car this way.
All right, we're really going now. See ya. Have a good one. Peace.